Our planet thrives on the richness of its soil. This thin layer of earth is a lifeblood. It sustains forests, grasslands, and all the creatures that depend on them, but this precious resource is under threat. Erosion, pollution, and unsustainable practices are stripping away the soil at an alarming rate. This silent crisis threatens our food security, water resources, and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. The consequences of soil degradation are far-reaching. Without healthy soil, crops struggle to grow. Water runs off the land, carrying away topsoil and leaving behind barren fields. Wildlife habitats disappear, pushing countless species towards the brink. This is a global challenge that demands our immediate attention. We must act now to protect and restore our soil. Innovative techniques and ancient wisdom offer hope. Among these solutions, water bunds stand out as a simple yet remarkably effective way to combat soil erosion and revitalise degraded lands. Imagine a series of low walls built across the contours of a slope. These are water bunds, also known as contour bunds. They slow down rainwater, preventing it from rushing downhill. This technique captures water, allowing it to seep into the ground. Water bunds offer a solution to soil erosion. They work with the landscape, mimicking natural processes. By slowing water, they prevent topsoil loss. This helps soil regenerate and rebuild. The benefits extend beyond erosion control. They recharge groundwater, ensuring a reliable water supply. They also support diverse plant and animal life. Water bunds act as small-scale reservoirs, capturing rainwater and allowing it to infiltrate the soil gradually. This slow and steady hydration revives parched lands and promotes the growth of vegetation. As plants take root, their roots bind the soil, further reducing erosion and creating a virtuous cycle of restoration. The impact of water bunds on soil health is profound. By reducing erosion, they prevent the loss of topsoil, which is rich in nutrients essential for plant growth. The increased water infiltration improves soil moisture content, making it easier for plants to access the water they need to thrive. Moreover, water bunds promote the accumulation of organic matter in the soil. As plants grow and decompose, they add valuable nutrients and improve soil structure. This creates a more fertile and productive environment for agriculture and supports a wider variety of plant and animal life. Section 4, Nurturing Nature's Bounty, the benefits of water bunds. The benefits of water bunds extend far beyond soil conservation. They play a crucial role in enhancing biodiversity, improving water security, and supporting local communities. By creating a mosaic of habitats, water bunds provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for a wide range of species. Water bunds act as natural water harvesting systems, replenishing groundwater aquifers and increasing the availability of water for irrigation. This reduces reliance on expensive and energy-intensive water pumping methods, benefiting both farmers and the environment. Furthermore, water bunds can help to mitigate the impacts of climate change. By capturing rainwater and promoting vegetation growth, they increase carbon sequestration, helping to offset greenhouse gas emissions. Building your own water bund, a step-by-step guide. Building a water bund is straightforward and requires minimal materials. First, identify the contour, walk along the slope and mark a line following the natural contour. This ensures the bund captures runoff. Next, gather materials. Use locally available materials like rocks, stones, or earth. Pile the materials along the contour, creating a low wall. Compact the materials to make the bund sturdy. Create channels for controlled water flow. Finally, plant vegetation. Plant native grasses, shrubs, or trees to stabilise the bund. Section 6, a brighter future, one water bund at a time. Water bunds offer a beacon of hope in our fight against soil degradation and climate change. Their simplicity, affordability and effectiveness make them an ideal solution for communities around the world, especially in arid and semi-arid regions facing water scarcity and desertification. The widespread adoption of water bunds has the potential to transform degraded landscapes into productive ecosystems, enhance food security, and improve the livelihoods of millions of people. By working together and embracing these simple yet powerful techniques, we can create a brighter future for our planet and generations to come.